Hi traders, Mr. Golden is on the line. Well, we continue our challenge. Let me remind you, we started with $1,000 and our goal is to reach $10,000 within 10 days. How do we do it? We do this via the RSI indicator. That is, our trading strategy that consists in what we analyze. 15-minute time frame, we look at such situations when the price, for example, reaches the level of overbought or oversold, and from there we enter the position. Also, we take into account the divergence on the RSI. So when the indicator itself is high or low, does not match with high or low directly from the graph itself, the most price quotes. Okay, what about risk for today? Since this is the 6th day of our challenge, our goal no longer seems to be so unrealistic. Therefore, for the speed of the process, I will increase my risk up to $1,000 per transaction. I can afford to do that. After all, as you can see, we started with $1,000. Now we already have additional actually $5,000 to the start deposit. Therefore, the risk can be increased. Well, let's start looking for positions. Here is literally the first couple on which I opened. This is your Yaduesta. We have the overbought. We have the opportunity to implement short position for 4 minutes in a bearish direction. Why? Because firstly, the indicator signals us that the asset is overbought. Accordingly, we can expect a short movement on the asset. Also, if you open a 1-hour time frame, we have an imbalance here as a potential price target on the 5-minute chart. We also have coming into imbalance. Yes, we are moving in quite strong long order flow. However, now the 1-hour candle will change soon. Here you can see it. And I think that rollback is quite obvious in this situation. Let's turn on the 1-minute time frame and let's see how this position will work out. Give a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new uploads. Click the bell to get notified about new content. Yes, 2 minutes to actual practice of our position. However, what do I understand? I understand that there are 5 minutes until a new 1-hour candle is created. Accordingly, I can count on a short impulse for this position. 6 minutes, $1,000 additional on short position. I will explain why. Now is the most relevant entry point for implementing this position. My goal is not to finish the first position and open the second one. If I see opportunities multiplying, I also multiply my position. I will repeat everything within the framework of the risk management. So I have a balance and a margin of safety for this balance. Accordingly, I can afford to implement one more position in this area. Since this long movement, in fact, realize the last point that would interest us in the short direction. Accordingly, now we can expect a clear short movement within 5 and up to 7 minutes. Let's watch. By the way, you can find all the signals I show in detail here on our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. Go there and see for yourself. There are 15 seconds left to practice the first position. As you can see, we are guaranteed a sure profit on this position. Second position, I also like our entry point and how the price reacted after entering and executing our position. So I think it looks pretty solid here too. Yes, the first profit for today was received. We need to wait for the second position to be worked out. This place can also serve as an ideological target. This is the place of equal lows, AQ low, as a potential trigger, a price magnet in this delivery. Let's wait for the result. If you want to see examples of such trades in real time, subscribe to our Telegram channel. I share signals and trading results there regularly. There are 30 seconds left to practice this position. As I said earlier, the price is clearly moving towards our primary target for this position. Let's mark it with a blue line. That is, here is the last rebalancing of the short movement. After that, we got into position again, and the movement is quite clear. Again, let's wait for practice, and then I will say a few more words to you. 3, 2, 1, boom. $7,700 on our balance. We are $3,000 away from our goal, even less than $2,300, and our potential goal will be met. Today is only the 6th day, so there is no rush. I set myself the goal of doing it in 10 days, so I think it will be possible to finish it today. Again, everything you need, without any falsification or mounting. I describe all the logic right here, right in the video, at this very moment. All you need is to understand time frames, change of the time frame, 15-minute and 5-minute candles, RSI indicator on 15-minute time frame, which will tell you whether you can enter into the deal and the direction of the deal to enter. Again, you have to rely on market logic. You should have imbalances as potential targets for your position. Imbalances or liquidity levels. That is, you cannot rely only on the indicator. The indicator simply serves as a signal that the position can be realized, but there should always be a goal in the position. So from $1,000 to $10,000 with ease. Within 10 days, I think we will get there. I'm going to have a busy day today. Lots of trading in my personal Telegram channel. This is a VIP channel, a premium channel, with my core team, where I will work a lot. So this is where I end this video. And I think already in the next video, in a day or two, and we will complete this test. Golden was on the line. See you soon. By the way, we also have a Telegram channel where you'll find a lot of valuable information regarding trading. Through this channel, we provide access to our tools, the Golden Bot powered by AI, which delivers 50 to 100 signals per day with an accuracy of approximately 80% plus. A VIP channel where you'll not only receive signals but also detailed analysis of each trade, along with exclusive educational materials. Additionally, we have a premium channel where our core team offers support to help individuals become independent, successful traders. If you prefer not to learn or trade yourself, you can join copy trading and automatically copy our trades. In general, you'll find useful content, and we regularly hold contests and tournaments for our most active subscribers. Subscribe to our Telegram channel, and we wish you good luck and profit.